Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. This is a quick tutorial on how I make my aloe vera leave-in conditioner for hair growth and treatment. To be honest, I was pretty much hesitant in creating and uploading this tutorial because I don't think my hair is that long to be giving out like tips or whatever, but it doesn't matter. My hair is pretty healthy, so I'm just making this to answer a lot of the questions that I've been getting about my hair. So currently well, for a few months now, this is basically all I've been using to treat my hair. I use it on my wash day, I add it to my shampoo, I use it as conditioner, I use it as leave-in conditioner, I use it for everything. As you can see here, I'm just peeling the aloe vera leaf, and we just want to get that white part. I'm pretty sure you guys are familiar with how you would get the flesh from the leaf. So I'm just taking off the outer skin, that's all the green part, and I'm trying to get all that white fleshy part. That's the part that has the gel, so that's what I'm trying to get. There is actually a quicker route of using the aloe vera plant on the hair instead of peeling it and blending it to get the liquid. You could just remove one side of the skin to expose the flesh and then rub it directly on your hair. Why I didn't choose to show you guys that option is simply because that method will definitely leave small bits and pieces of the aloe vera flesh in the hair, and when it dries white and hard. So one, you'll have the small white pieces all over your hair, and I'm sure that's not aesthetically pleasing. And two, the small hard pieces can actually eventually tangle and break off your hair strands. So this takes a little bit more time, but it's a much safer route, so just do what you have to do. I'm gonna get a container and a small piece of fabric to separate the pulp from the aloe vera juice or aloe vera gel. If you were to go straight in with the aloe vera juice, you'd also, as I stated before, get the white particles and residue in your hair. So just get a fabric and squeeze it right through to separate the pulp from the juice. I find that when I use a strainer to try to separate the pulp, it's not even as near as effective, so definitely don't use a strainer, just use a piece of fabric and you'll be fine from there. I do have an applicator bottle that I use to store and apply the aloe vera gel to my hair. You can also use a spray bottle if you don't have one of these, that works fine. And right after the gel is blended, it kind of looks foamy, but it still has that gel-like consistency, and once it's settled for a few minutes, it will look nice and clear with kind of like a light green color. So I have my hair in some mini braids. This is basically my protective style. I'm keeping my hair like this for about a month, and I try to use the aloe vera gel at least 3 times a week. I apply it from my roots down the shaft of my hair to the ends until my hair is totally saturated. I also like to focus on my edges. They're struggling even now, so I'm trying to have less stress and tension on my hair, hence the protective styling. Scalp massaging has also proven to be very effective in promoting hair growth, so I usually do that whenever I'm applying the leave-in conditioner. The back of my hair is measuring somewhere between 9 and 9.5 inches. I could say 9.25, and that's one of the shorter areas of my hair. I think the longest length is like 13 inches, but I'll do another check length at the end of the period, probably a month, or I'll see if I can go 2 months. I'll definitely keep you guys updated on that. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one.